Ever wondered why some websites rank better than others on search engines? The secret ingredient might be link building, an essential component of search engine optimization, or SEO. Link building is the process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. These links are like streets between pages, allowing search engines to discover and crawl your website. But why is this important? Well, search engines use links to determine a website's value and relevance. The more high-quality links pointing to your website, the better your site will rank. This means more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately, more conversions. In this video, we're going to break down the seemingly complex process of link building into manageable steps. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or a beginner looking to improve your website's performance, this guide will give you the tools to navigate the world of link building. Stay tuned if you want to master the art of link building and give your website the boost it deserves. What exactly is link building? Let's dig a little deeper. Link building is a fundamental part of search engine optimization, or SEO. It's the process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. These links act like street signs on the internet highway, guiding the search engines and users towards your site. Each link to your website is like a vote of confidence, a signal to search engines that your content is valuable and worth promoting. Now, you might wonder, how does link building work? Well, when a search engine like Google tries to determine which sites to rank for a certain keyword, it looks at both the quantity and quality of links pointing to that site. The more high-quality links you have, the higher you'll rank. But why is link building important? It's simple. If search engines can't find your website, it's as if it doesn't exist. Link building helps you get noticed, increases your visibility, and ultimately drives more traffic to your website. Now let's talk about the different types of links. We have internal links and external links. Internal links connect different pages on your own website, creating a web of interconnected content. On the other hand, external links are those that point to other websites. They are like bridges, connecting your site to the rest of the internet. Then we have do-follow and no-follow links. Do-follow links are the golden tickets in SEO. They pass on link juice from the linking site to your site, boosting your page's authority. No-follow links, while they don't pass on this link juice, they still have value. They can help diversify your link profile and add credibility to your site. It's key to remember that not all links are created equal. Quality matters more than quantity. A single link from a well-respected website can have a greater impact than a dozen links from low-quality sites. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's move on to the actual process of link building. Ready to dive into the process of link building? Here we go. Let's break down the process of link building into clear, manageable steps. The first step in the process is to create outstanding content. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a step that's often overlooked. Content is the cornerstone of your link building efforts. If your content is top-notch, people will naturally want to link to it. So, what does high-quality content look like? It's original, it's engaging, it's informative, and it adds value to the reader. This could be a well-researched blog post, an insightful infographic, or even an entertaining video. Next, let's talk about guest blogging. This is a fantastic strategy for gaining high-quality backlinks. The idea here is simple. You write a post for another blog, and in return, you get a link back to your website. It's a win-win situation. But remember, the key to successful guest blogging is to choose the right blogs. Look for blogs that are relevant to your industry, have a high domain authority, and have an engaged audience. Now, onto the third step, broken link building. This involves finding broken links on other websites and suggesting your content as a replacement. It's a bit like digital detective work. Start by finding websites relevant to your niche, then use a tool to scan for broken links. Once you've found a broken link, reach out to the site owner and suggest your content as a replacement. It's a great way to provide value and earn a backlink at the same time. The final step in our guide is influencer outreach. This involves reaching out to influencers in your niche and asking them to share your content. It's important to remember that influencers are busy people, so you need to make your outreach efforts stand out. Start by building a relationship. Comment on their posts, share their content, and show them that you value their work. Once you've established a relationship, you can then approach them with your content. If your content is high quality and relevant, they may well be happy to share it with their audience. Link building is a long-term strategy. It's not something that will deliver overnight results, but with persistence and a focus on quality, it can yield significant benefits. It can boost your search engine rankings, drive more traffic to your website, and establish your brand as an authority in your niche. Remember, the goal of link building is not just to get as many links as possible. It's to get high-quality links from reputable websites. Quality always trumps quantity when it comes to link building. Link building might seem complicated at first, but with these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming a pro. Avoiding pitfalls in link building is as important as knowing the right steps. Now let's dive into some common mistakes that even seasoned marketers often make, and how you can steer clear of them. First up, focusing solely on high domain authority or DA sites. While securing a link from a high DA site is a great achievement, it's not the be-all and end-all of link building. Remember, a diverse link profile is a healthy link profile. So, don't forget to reach out to mid and low DA sites that are relevant to your niche. They can still provide valuable referral traffic and boost your site's authority over time. The second common mistake is neglecting internal links. Internal linking is a powerful tool for improving user experience and boosting your SEO. It's all about connecting your content, guiding your site visitors, and helping search engines understand the structure of your site. So, don't overlook this crucial aspect of link building. Make it a habit to link your new content to relevant, existing content on your site. Third, getting links from irrelevant sites. This can do more harm than good. Search engines are smart, and they can easily identify if a site linking to you has no relevance to your niche. This could lead to penalties and a drop in rankings. So, always aim for relevance over quantity when it comes to link building. Lastly, it's crucial to avoid unnatural link building practices. This includes buying links or using automated software to create links. These tactics may provide short-term gains, but in the long run, they can lead to penalties from search engines. Stick to ethical, white-hat link building strategies for sustainable results. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your link building efforts yield the best results. Remember, link building is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and patience, but the payoff is well worth the effort. Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned today. We dove deep into the fascinating world of link building, a fundamental aspect of search engine optimization that can provide your site with the visibility it deserves. We began by understanding the basics of link building. It's a process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. These links are like streets between pages, allowing search engines to crawl the web and rank your site. Remember, quality over quantity is the mantra here. High-quality links from reputable sites contribute more to your SEO than a large number of low-quality links. Next, we walked through a step-by-step guide to effective link building. We understood the importance of creating unique, engaging content that naturally attracts backlinks. We also learned about the power of guest blogging, leveraging social media, and using email outreach to request links. Let's not forget about broken link building, a clever strategy that involves finding broken links on other sites and offering your own as a replacement. We then discussed common mistakes in link building, buying links, participating in link schemes, and over-optimizing anchor text are all practices to avoid. These tactics might seem like shortcuts to success, but they can actually harm your SEO in the long run. Link building is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, creativity, and persistence, but the rewards are worth the effort. High-quality backlinks can drive traffic to your site, improve your search engine rankings, and establish your brand's authority in your niche. Remember to always be strategic in your link building efforts. Target relevant, high-authority websites that align with your brand and audience. And always prioritize quality over quantity. These principles will guide you in your link building journey, ensuring that you build a strong, organic link profile that search engines love. Link building is a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal. Use it wisely and watch your website climb the search engine rankings.